So, imagine you're driving down the road when all of a sudden, the window in your favorite automobile breaks out. Today, I'm going to show you a secret that big glass companies don't want you to know about. Jesus! So, the first step in any project like this is to remove all of the excess glass that did not break out during the incident. Once that pesky step is out of the way, we're going to need a tape measure. So now that we have our tape measure, we're going to want to measure the width and the height of the glass that was affected. Now this trick does work on every car window except for the windshield. So modern safety glass in automobiles, such as this one, is not one pane of glass like your house windows. It's actually two panes of glass that are glued together. So in the event of a crash, the glass does not impale you. We're going to use that to our advantage. So for this next step, you're going to want to use the passenger side of the windshield, probably because you have no friends that ride in your car anyway. You're going to need safety glasses and a hammer. You're going to want to begin in the upper left-hand corner of the windshield and make a small incision. After the incision is made, you will need a sawzall. You're going to insert the sawzall into the hole and cut down, across, up, and back across in the shape of the glass that was affected in the incident. Now you simply remove the glass from your dashboard. So for the last step, you're going to want to get some painter's tape. I like using painter's tape because it won't scratch up your paint. You're going to want to take your glass and very carefully hold it over the affected area and apply the tape in a way that it will hold the glass firmly in place. It's okay to use multiple layers. This stuff is cheap. And just like that, your window is fixed without costing you a dime.